and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing alright. If you haven't been here before, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will be notified when I post my next video. And if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you are a returner, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make banana bread. This recipe is a combination of 3 different recipes that I've tried throughout the last 6 months. And I honestly cannot remember where did I see those recipes. So I'm sorry I cannot reference them, but this is not my recipe. This is just a combination of 3 different recipes that I tried and liked, and I thought I want 1 element or 2 different elements from each recipe, and my family loves it. I love the result. I like how this banana bread comes out every time. So I thought I'll share it with you. This banana bread does have chocolate, and for those chocolate lovers like me, I'm sure you would love it. I hope you'll enjoy it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post my next video. One of the important things to remember when making banana bread is to use really ripe bananas. This will give you the sweetness and the pronounced banana flavor you desire for such a recipe. For today's recipe, I'm using frozen banana that I normally freeze when I have ripened bananas that we will not be eating anytime soon. As you can see, it turned a little mushy, brown, and it put out a lot of water when it thawed, and that is very normal. It might not look as appetizing to some, but this is what thawed bananas look like, and if it's not prepackaged and manufactured, this is what it will look like when it thaws. If you prefer to use fresh, ripe banana, that's also fine. You will still follow the same steps I'm following here. It's just this is what was available to me at the time. So when going through this step, please do not use a blender or a cake mixer or anything that will liquefy the mixture. Just use your fork or a potato musher, but no machinery that can liquefy this. You want to have some texture, and it will not be good for your recipe to liquefy this. I did use the whisk to incorporate the wet ingredients and to mix in the eggs, but I did not whisk as we would when we're making a cake. I've made this bread several times, and the times I've made it with brown sugar, I had better results. The brown sugar added a lot of moisture, it gave it a nice brown color, and it gave the dish a hint of a caramely taste. I think it's because the brown sugar does have some sugar molasses in it, and I think it does add that flavor to it, which complements the banana and chocolate and walnut very well. So in this recipe, I am using chia seed because why not? And I find that when it bakes into the crust, it creates a crunch. I'm also adding chocolate because again, why not? And because it adds such a rich flavor, and I think it's a perfect complement to this dish. I mean, what's better than chocolatey banana bread with coffee in the morning? Okay guys, so after you've finished folding all the ingredients together, and literally once you've added the flour, you just folded things in, put them in your baking dish. I'm using a really deep dish here. So normal recipes that I saw online said to bake for 60 minutes. I baked for 1 hour and 10 minutes, and I think I could have added another 5 to 10 minutes. It came out great, but I think I could have added 10 minutes because the deeper the dish, the longer the bake time. After the bread has cooled, cut into thick slices and enjoy with your coffee or with your tea. Once you cut through into it, you will notice the swirls of banana chunks and brown sugar, and this is why you don't blend completely. You want to see these. They add such a great flavor and texture to the bread. It's amazing. What I like to do after I've finished slicing is to individually wrap the slices into a layer of parchment paper and foil paper and put them all in a jumbo Ziploc and put them in the freezer. I made this bread a month ago and I still take a slice every now and then out of the freezer, pop it in the oven for 20 minutes and just enjoy, and it tastes as good as the day I baked it. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you will be notified when I post my next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.